One of the really significant challenges faced by industrial companies is that of unplanned downtime, products going down when they're not expected to, impacting production schedules. And companies are really looking at industrial IoT solutions to help resolve this issue. Just to quantify the size of that challenge, in the automotive industry, it's estimated that $20,000 to $30,000 per minute is lost through unplanned downtime. Now, applications enabled through IoT, things like predictive maintenance and asset health monitoring, are really helping overcome these challenges. And we've estimated that around 30% saving or reduction in unplanned downtime can be achieved through industrial IoT solutions. Now, certainly asset health monitoring is one of the low-hanging fruit, but the benefits of the technology can be applied across the entire life cycle of production. Everything from the design of a product through to monitoring inventory levels in the supply chain. One example is Harley-Davidson, who a few years ago were facing business challenges in terms of fulfilling customer requirements. They were able to reduce the speed of orders filled from 21 days down to 6 hours.